How about ako, Doc? Okay na po lahat ng lab test ko, yung losartan ko, sabihin inumin na lang if high blood ako. May chance po ba akong ma-stroke if ganun? Okay. Himay-himayin natin ito. No? And again, it should always be discussed with your doctor to know the most appropriate type of management for you as a person with hypertension. Your laboratory tests are just there for you to be monitored correctly to avoid complications of your hypertension. Okay? So, that necessarily means na kung normal yung blood test mo, does not equates na tatanggalin mo na yung gamot. No, that's not the case. Okay? If your blood pressure is within normal range, habang nagtitake ka ng blood pressure, the reason why normal yan is number one, you've changed something in your lifestyle that has prompted your body to adapt, okay, in having a normal blood pressure. And number two, you're taking your medication on a regular basis. If dinisrupt mo yung dalawang ginawa mong kumbaga intervention sa iyong katawan, i.e. or example, your medications, dinisrupt mo, tinanggal mo, the possibility of you having an erratic or abnormal blood pressure is also going to change. Meaning, may posibilidad na tumaas ulit yan. If bigla mong tinanggal, I would advise you take your medication pa rin on a regular basis. Daily, if that is instructed to you, para lang din ma-prevent mo any complications. Kagaya ng tinatanong mo sa akin na stroke. Because stroke is always one of those complications na ayaw natin magkaroon. Now, if you are hypertensive and you are sure enough that you can change your lifestyle, remove anything that can worsen it, that is great. If you are on medication, it's always best to collaborate with your doctor kung kailangan ba siyang bawasan, or if let's say for example, you want to undergo an intensive lifestyle intervention. Okay? Discuss this with your doctor. Huwag yung bigla-bigla lang maggagamot ka tapos take mo lang kung tumaas ang BP mo, because the medication does not work that way. Medications have a particular pattern of taking. It should always be within a level of concentration na maintain mo every day for it to work in a way that it can control your blood pressure. Okay? And again, collaboration with your doctor is always the key. Kung may question ka with the management, go back to your attending doctor and ask if there is any risk of possible complications of ganito yung management ko. Ay management ninyo. Again, I'm not the primary care doctor, but I'm just here willing to help you be guided with your management. Again, this is Dr. Christian, online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.